This is Oscar Moreno with Moreno Custom Home Visions, and this is how to repair a broken circuit breaker. First thing we do is go up and open our breaker panel. Then second, what we're going to do is we're going to determine which breaker is the one that's broken. We'll use this guy as an example as a broken circuit breaker. Second of all, we're going to be removing both of the screws that are holding the cover in place. After doing so, we will have a breaker that we want to replace. Once doing so, we're going to use our screwdriver to loosen up the screw that's holding on to the hot wire. Then after that, we're going to pull that wire out, grab onto the circuit breaker, pull it out and pry it out. Comes right out of place. After that, you get your new circuit breaker. Go ahead and clip them back into place. Use your black wire. Insert them back into your breaker. Tighten them back up with your screwdriver. Then we're going to go ahead and put the lid back on of it. Turn your main breaker back on, and there you are. You have yourself a new circuit breaker.